everyone, so today we're going to draw, or I have my daughter here with me today.
Hi.
She's going to draw with me. So we're going to draw a standing hot dog with some ketchup and mustard and relish for hair. So first we're going to start out with the hot dog's body. So it's just going to be like a long oval. Like that. And then we're going to go ahead and do the bun. So we're going to come out from like about right there and go straight down and then curve back in like that. It's fine. And then gonna the other side like that. So we're gonna go ahead and put a face. We'll go ahead and put the face on first because we're gonna go ahead and draw some ketchup and mustard on it too. So we'll go ahead and do the ketchup and mustard strips. So it's kind of like a swirly like snake. It's like a squiggle of ketchup. And then right next to that, we're gonna add another strip of, which is gonna be the mustard.
And ketchup is worry.
It's okay. Just
messy.
It's fine. It's okay. All right. So next we're gonna do like the inside of the bun. So it's just like come out like this. It's a little bit like that. All right, and we're gonna go ahead and add, for the hair, we're gonna add these little squares, which is gonna be the relish hair. It's kind of silly. All right, and then lastly, we're gonna go ahead and give this hot dog some arms and hands. And then also some feet too. This hot dog only has 3 fingers. And then we're gonna do some legs and the feet.
I'm making mine jumping.
Okay. All right. So next we're gonna go ahead and use our Sharpie and outline our hot dog. Be careful with the eyes, because especially if you're using a thick marker like I am.
Yeah, me.
Yep. Alright, and the ketchup and mustard. Alright, so then we're going to go ahead and erase all of our pencil lines before we start coloring. All right, so we'll go ahead and get our markers. And so for the outside of the bun, I'm gonna use this color. Kind of like the actual color of like a hot dog bun. And then go ahead and do the ketchup. So 1 strip of ketchup and then 1 squiggle of mustard, like a regular hot dog. I'll take the yellow. We got the mustard on that side. And so the inside of the bun is going to be this little bit, kind of like a little bit lighter color. And then our relish is going to be green. So it's going to have green hair. And of course, our hot dog to color that. What? Right. Oh, okay, good. My daughter's gonna make the hot dog say something. And I'm just gonna color the feet and legs black. And then the arms are gonna be black. We're just gonna leave the hands white. It's kind of like he's wearing like gloves. And apparently my daughter's hot dog is happy. So it's a happy hot dog. All right, so that's how you draw a standing hot dog with some ketchup, mustard, and relish for hair. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to see more videos, as I have several on my page and many more to come. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.
Bye.